how we make full-time money in our spare time from home or anywhere in the world. This works for anyone, regardless of previous experience, age, and even for total newbies. If you would like more money coming in each week, I can certainly relate. Hey, my name is Trevor, and I'm from the UK. I'd first of all just like to say thanks for taking the time and energy to check this out. There's a good chance that you've seen a lot of rubbish in the past and are probably a bit skeptical about things that you find online. Me too. I know I've certainly traveled that journey myself. It wasn't long ago that I was in a real bad place. I was in a complete hole financially. I'd completely run out of money. I had no income coming in. I was $35,000 in credit card debt. I had 2 bank accounts and they were completely overdrawn to their limit, so I didn't actually have a penny. I needed to make money, I needed to make a lot of money, and I needed to make it fast. Anyway, fast forward just a few years and I've done well over $2 million online in sales. What happened shocked me. I never knew it was possible to make this kind of money in my spare time. Can you imagine what a relief it is to go from totally broke and zero income to generating hundreds of thousands of dollars doing something that's super easy and a lot of fun too? You can do this regardless of whoever you are. And I mean that because we've got members now from all walks of life, all genders, races and ages. My oldest student is Richard, who's just turned 83. He's just done over $240 while he was sleeping. So it really doesn't matter what your gender is, your race, your experience. You don't need any technical knowledge. If you've always wanted the key to making money online, but have failed to discover it so far, then breathe a sigh of relief because it's right here, just one click away. We'll work with you by your side hand in hand to ensure your success. Click here to join for just $47 a month. Start today for just $47. This initial charge includes full access to our comprehensive affiliate marketing training, product creation training, DFY resources, and ongoing support. Your subscription will automatically renew at $47 per month, ensuring you continue to receive all the tools, updates, and support needed for success. Cancel at any time. It wasn't all plain sailing, mind you. I made my fair share of mistakes, and to be honest, in the beginning there were times when I even doubted if this could work at all. And then I stumbled across a weird strategy that I thought might just work. It was unlike anything I'd ever tried before, so I thought, worth a shot. I made slow progress to begin with, but I worked hard at it and streamlined it to make it really easy to do, with minimal time commitment, and then things started to happen gradually, day by day, and before long I was earning more in a day than I could ever have hoped for. Trisha made $1,490.18 in the first few days. Allow yourself to get quietly excited, because you, my friend, have stumbled across a genuine and proven way to generate a serious amount of money working just a few hours and from anywhere in the world. Take Trisha, for example. She joined Commissionable and within a few days had already banked $1,490.18, ready to withdraw directly to her bank account. Trisha: thank you, Trevor, Carr and Bo. I'm doing really well with what I'm learning in Commissionable. I've made 11 sales and it keeps banking cash in USD. I'm saving up to help my mum get a permanent place to live, quit my job and move to the clean countryside with space and trees. I've been working very hard for 10 years to figure this out. In 3 weeks, I've gained more than I have prior. All of this is possible because of your training. I appreciate you all. My Warrior Plus wallet is getting good cash flow. Not long until I achieve $10,000 a month and then more. Trisha, who's done $8,646 already, and she's already done over $8,000 in revenue. I'm saving up to help my mum get a permanent place to live, quit my job, and move to the clean countryside with space and trees. Trisha Fulton. Results are not typical and can vary widely. Success in this program depends on individual effort, experience, and market conditions, and is not guaranteed. Past performance does not indicate future results. Your personal results may differ. Click here to join for just $47. Start today for just $47. This initial charge includes full access to our comprehensive affiliate marketing training, product creation training, DFY resources, and ongoing support. Your subscription will automatically renew at $47 per month, ensuring you continue to receive all the tools, updates, and support needed for success. Cancel any time. This system has already generated me over $2 million. I literally make money while I sleep. My goal is to see you make money. And the way to achieve that is by following my simple step-by-step process for daily profits. You get to fast-track the past 7 years of my trial and error and get stuck into what I now know works. So within hours, you can be up to speed and ready to get cracking. Regardless of your previous experiences, this can work for you. You don't need any techie skills, and you don't need your face on camera. Here are some of the many reasons this is a total no-brainer. This is a done-for-you solution. We provide the done-for-you assets that I use in my business so you can import them and get started. You save years of learning, trial and error. You save thousands of wasted investments in programs that simply don't work. You get to work closely with me and Bo, who between us have done millions of dollars online. We have a fast-track system to get you started making money within your first few days. You get the support you need in our private community as we help you towards $20,000 per month and beyond. You'll earn recurring commissions as well as high-ticket payouts. No need to build your own offer, no need to do copywriting, no need to create sales pages, no need to create sales videos, no graphic design skills required, no testing required. We've done all that for you too, so you don't have to. No face on camera, no voice on microphone. We handle product delivery, we handle the support, access to all future updates at no extra charge. You are grandfathered in at the lowest price, regardless of how high we go. No extra charges. We host it on our servers, private community for support, accountability, and success. Click here to join for just $47. Start today for just $47. This initial charge includes full access to our comprehensive affiliate marketing training, product creation training, DFY resources, and ongoing support. Your subscription will automatically renew at $47 per month, ensuring you continue to receive all the tools, updates, and support needed for success. Cancel anytime. Here's what you get. $47. 10 beginners training videos. A clone of my $2 million website completely done for you. Full video training on how to set up your multi-million-dollar site. My professional website theme, 9 core training modules with up to 10 videos each, 6 creative tools training videos, digital product creation training, completely newbie-friendly training, product launching training, over-my-shoulder demonstrations of real day-to-day money-making, paid traffic training, artificial intelligence training, how to create ebooks and digital products with AI training, DFY review page, DFY review slides, DFY review, Google Doc, DFY review letter style, Google Doc, DFY bonus access, Google Doc, DFY sales page, DFY auto page, DFY JV page and doc page, DFY members area, DFY bonuses. Lock in the discounted $47 per month regardless of price increases. Leave at any time, no contracts. Completely newbie-friendly training done for you. As you can see above, not only do you get the training, the support and the training, you also get a ton of done for you assets, complete with training on how to use them, import them, implement them, so you really will hit the ground running. Click here to join for just $47. Start today for just $47. This initial charge includes full access to our comprehensive affiliate marketing training, product creation training, DFY resources, and ongoing support. Your subscription will automatically renew at $47 per month, ensuring you continue to receive all the tools, updates, and support needed for success. Cancel anytime. Why listen to me? Just a normal bloke. Who cares? I'm nobody special, just a normal bloke from the UK. I've worked hard to get where I am, and I've a burning desire to help others. I've done pretty well, and I'm extremely grateful for the difference that has made to my life. And everything that got me to this point is inside this program. So everything that has worked and the stuff that didn't work, you don't need to know. I'll be teaching you how to crush it on a platform called Warrior Plus. On that platform, I am a top 5% elite vendor and a top 5% elite affiliate with a string of product awards. So you're in safe hands. $42,000 in one day. These figures are a snapshot from one of my accounts. This is absolutely not me bragging or showing off, not my style, but I think it's important that you see proof that I know what I'm doing. If you're looking for someone to not only teach you how to make money online, but literally hand over my entire system so you can copy and paste what I do, look no further. Results are not typical and can vary widely. Success in this program depends on individual effort, experience, and market conditions, and is not guaranteed. Past performance does not indicate future results. Your personal results may differ. We'll work with you by your side, hand in hand, until you reach success. Anybody can do this. You can do this regardless of whoever you are, and I mean that, because we've got members now from all walks of life, all genders, races, and ages. You don't need any technical knowledge. We cover everything you need to do in some simple training. It's all very easy to follow. You just literally go through the video training, implement what we teach, and boom, you're off. We take you by the hand and turn you from a newbie into an affiliate, then from an affiliate to a vendor, and finally from vendor to super affiliate. You'll end up seeing numbers like mine in your very own account. Here's what you don't need. No previous experience whatsoever. No tech skills, no design skills, no copywriting, no face on camera, no recruiting people, no posting on social media constantly, no paid traffic unless you want to, and I show you how. No future investments. We use free traffic, not even 8 a.m. and I've made over $3,000. How do you think it feels to be over $3,000 up before 8 in the morning? Pretty damn good, I can tell you. This image was screenshotted from my phone. As you can see, I did over $3,000 the previous day, over $11,000 the previous week, and almost $60,000 in a month. I'm not saying you'll do figures like these, but I want to demonstrate just how lucrative this business model is. And anyone, yes, anyone can do this. And if you've never done anything like this before, it doesn't matter. Just to give you a little idea of what we do, we use a platform called Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is a platform where people can list digital products and training products and software. They list them for sale, and then US affiliates will promote them, and we get paid what's called an affiliate commission. So when something sells, we get paid. Now, a lot of the time you get paid 100% affiliate commissions for what's called a front-end product. And thereafter you might get 50% on all of the upgrades in the funnel. All of this is taken care of by somebody else because we're just the affiliate, so we don't have to create the product. We don't have to do any of that stuff. We don't have to make the sales pages or do the sales videos. We don't have to do anything. Literally, it's all done for us, even support, delivery, the whole thing. All we do as affiliates is get paid, which is a lovely thing. And we can make a lot of money doing this, as you'll see. Join today and get this exclusive bonus bundle completely free. Bonus number 1, Breakthrough VIP. Currently on sale at $697. Breakthrough VIP is my previous program that also teaches people how to make money online. Think of it as a commissionable 1.0. This membership also provides access to VIP webinar replays that I delivered to my coaching students on pretty much every aspect of the Make Money Online business model, and will give you a comprehensive insight into how to be successful online. You can now join us for just $47 per month. Click here to join for just $47. Start today for just $47. This initial charge includes full access to our comprehensive affiliate marketing training, product creation training, DFY resources, and ongoing support. Your subscription will automatically renew at $47 per month, ensuring you continue to receive all the tools, updates, and support needed for success. Cancel anytime. Frequently asked questions. How will we be making money? I've tried everything, nothing works. What makes this any different? When you say the business is done for you, can you be a bit more specific? What do we get? How and when do we withdraw our earnings? What sort of time frame realistically do I need to get started initially? Then to maintain on a daily basis. When you say you are with us until we get to $20,000 per month, what does that look like? Do you have any live coaching webinars? Are there any additional costs? Do we have to post on multiple social media sites multiple times a day? What kind of products will we be selling? How will we find these products? What's the difference with me just setting up a Warrior account separately and going with you guys? You pay just $47 today and get instant access to the members area, including our secret money-making system. Do nothing. Everything stays the same. $0. Keep overworking yourself. Endless commutes, limited vacation time, lack of flexibility, work-life imbalance, unappreciative bosses. Do nothing. Take control. Change your life forever. $47 a month. Step-by-step video training, online wealth creation made much easier. No experience needed. Work from anywhere in the world. Be your own boss. Cancel anytime. Risk-free. All backgrounds welcomed. $47 per month forever, regardless of future increases. Lock in now. Buy now. Start today for just $47. This initial charge includes full access to our comprehensive affiliate marketing training, product creation training, DFY resources, and ongoing support. Your subscription will automatically renew at $47 per month, ensuring you continue to receive all the tools, updates, and support needed for success. Cancel any time. Now the decision is yours. Work all your adult life until you are allowed to retire. Try to get by on your pension, which is less than you barely survived on while working. Wait until you are too old to explore other countries, get a beautiful home, a car you really desired. Or retire within a few years doing what you enjoy every day while still making more money, even while asleep. Not everyone has ambition. Some people think working 9 to 5, 40-plus hours every week, year after year, with only one vacation a year, if you can actually afford one, is the only way to live. It isn't the case anymore. Get your new freedom life started now for just $47 a month. Thank you. Please leave a comment below. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel to help me to create more trusted ways to earn much more while working far fewer hours every week.